This dress was initially just a prototype for this dress, but I liked it. But I wanted to make it more fun. So I purchased some dye, set it on fire to figure out what materials were in the fabric, boiled 4 to 5 pots of water, added about 3/4 cups of salt, putting this all in the sink, adding 1 teaspoon of dish soap, and measuring the temperature of the water. It needs to be about 140 degrees, added 1/2 bottle of dye, and I stirred my pre-moistened fabric around for 10 minutes. And I was very patient. Drained the water and rinsed my dress with cold water. And I achieved my desired color, so happy. Washed it, dried it, and ta-da! I wore this to the store because it was Taco Tuesday. It all makes sense. Bye!